All right, so today's adventures bring us to the Chattahoochee River Walk. Going to be about a 30-mile ride, I think. And there's where we get started. So off we go. There is the mighty Chattahoochee. They said this was a 5-star, and it is beautiful all along the river. There's this used to be an old building, and somehow they've incorporated the trail through it, which is actually pretty cool looking. Lunch destination today is the Cannon Brew Pub. Betsy had a great salad. I had a great chicken club sandwich.